everyone. We're waiting for Grandma to arrive with some of her famous apple pie. Yum! Oh, that must be Grandma. Huh? Oh, hi, Bobby. We weren't expecting you today. Is everything okay? Wacky wipers! Let's take a look at you to find out what's wrong. Phew, that was close. Now what seems to be the problem? Huh, that's not right. Your controls are all mixed up. Let's try restarting your engine to see if that helps solve the problem. Spinning screwdrivers. This is going to be trickier than I thought, Bobby. But we'll solve it. Don't worry, everyone. It's just a little boo-boo. Ow! I'm so sorry, Bobby. I'll help you just as soon as I... Hello, Grandma.
Oh, my poor Gecko darling. Have you hurt yourself? Never mind. Grandma's here to help. All done, Gecko. Now you rest up.
Thanks, Grandma. But I still need to work out what's wrong with Bobby. Look! Something must have gone haywire up there. Oh, but I can't get onto his roof like this.
Then you'll have to talk me through the repair, Gecko.
Ah, yes, Grandma! You're the best!
I know. Now, what tools do we need? Screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Don't worry, little ones. Grandma is always careful. Now, what's going on here? Looks like we need a little wiring wizardry to fix Bobby's battery. Which colour wire connects where, Gecko?
Blue on the rack! Oh, Grandma can't hear me. I've got it. Blue and red! I need your help!
Oh, yes! Clever lad! Blue on the right, red on the left.
You did it! Thanks, Grandma.
You're welcome, Gecko. Now, let's all have some apple pie to celebrate.
If a job looks too hard, don't be scared. A problem halved is a problem shared. Just as a pie halved is a pie shared too, please, Red. See you next time, everyone.
Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max. I'm coming. Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max, if I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh! Ah!
everyone. Smashing day for you to join us here at the construction site. Today, Eric's going to knock down this old wall with his brand new wrecking ball. Mr. Weasel fitted the wrecking ball to Eric's bucket on, so let's hope it works. Rusty wrenches! Oh. Oh no! Eric's been tricked! That wrecking ball is really just a giant rubber bouncy ball! Huh? Let's catch that ball! You're okay. And you've even given me an idea, Red. Don't worry, Eric. You can catch that ball. We can fill your bucket with sand to soften the bounce. And I'll fix a lid to trap it inside. Eric, we need your bucket! Mechanicals, we need that barrel. What tools do we need? Pliers! Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Oh. Your bucket's now positioned right. I'll tighten this nut and bolt it tight. Oh. This metal's sharp, so stand back there. Let's cut and move this barrel with care. This lid was a very good call, so come on! Oh. Let's catch that bouncy ball! You can do it, Eric! Bullseye! Oh, great catch, Eric! Oh. Not quite how you planned it, Eric, but the job is done! Great teamwork! Bye, everyone! Hello, everyone! It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start?
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, Mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the Mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, Mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans! Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes! Oh!
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose, Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Ah, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone. Come on, mechanicals. We have Fiona Firetruck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, Frog?
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. Today we're at the construction site. Green, Red and I are fitting Dylan with new tyres. Oh, careful, Yellow. These tyres are very big and heavy. I think Eric would like to play too. Can he join your game, please? Oh! Ah! Oh! Watch it! Ah! Oh! 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 Look out, Red! Spinning screwdrivers! We have to stop that tyre before it hurts someone. Well spotted, Yellow. It's headed towards Cat's base. I've got to warn her.
Come in, Gecko. Over.
Cat! There's a giant runaway tyre headed your way.
See? The tire is here. Oh, no. It's gone again. I'll follow the wheel in Helena. We can try to catch it with a net.
A net? Great idea. Uh-oh.
I meant to catch the tire, not you.
No problem, Cat. It's hard to catch a moving target with a moving net. We need to find another way. That's it, Yellow. We'll bash the tyre into the net like a hockey goal. Look out for the tyre from the air, please, Cat. We have to get back to the construction site. I have a plan to catch that tyre. Eric, you'll be the hockey stick And Dylan, you'll be the goal. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll attach the net to this frame to create a giant goal. Then bolt it tight to Dylan's bucket. Ha.
Come in, Gecko. The tire is rolling towards the construction site.
Bouncing brake pads. This is it. Ready, Eric? Ready, Dylan? Let's do this. Steady. Steady. Now, Eric! He shoots! He scores! Goala! Eric's used to digging holes, but he's just as good at scoring goals. Goodbye, everyone! Spinning screwdrivers. Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull, Sly! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, Sly! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry. We'll soon get you free. Go, Mechanicals! Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you.
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Today we're having a garage sale where we offer items we no longer need to others who might want to use them. Like this engine belt. Huh?
Garage sale? Junk sale, more like? Hey, this isn't junk. Or this.
Nothing here is junk, Mr. Weasel. Everything can be reused. This belt can help turn the parts of an engine. Would you like it?
Really? I mean, yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Molly, what's the matter? Your dino vanished while you were playing with this teddy. Don't worry, we'll find it. Nuts and bolts! Sly must have thought your dino was in the sale. I'll follow Mr. Weasel and Sly. You wait. Here. Molly, slow down! You might damage your engine by going too fast. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. We need to follow her.
Huh? Look, Sly! It seems Molly wants to overtake, but no one overtakes Wilbur T. Weasel!
What happened? Is everyone okay?
we are. But what's wrong with Molly?
Spinning screwdrivers! Molly's engine belt has broken. But Mr. Weasel, you have a spare engine belt, remember?
Oh, yes. Here it is.
Thanks. We'll fix you up in no time, Molly. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to loosen this cog to release the old broken belt. Now loop the new belt around the engine so it can turn the moving parts. There! Ready to go, Molly. Sorry, Sly. Molly's dyno wasn't in the sale. Could she have it back, please?
Oh.
Today we learnt that friends who care are your friends who like to share. Goodbye, everyone.
Ah, phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
I'm new in town. Cut is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh. Do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena. Someone needs rescuing. It won't hook.
Oh. Hang on, Tilly. Keep it steady, Blue. I can't reach.
Gecko, use the umbrella.
Aha! Oh. Phew! That was close. Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Oh, hello everyone. We're repairing the mechanical's roof pipe, but it's so hot today.
Hi, Gecko! We're here for Fiona Firetruck service.
Sure thing, Dandy. But, aren't you hot in your firefighting coat?
Yes, a little bit. But I keep it on in case of emergencies.
Come on, mechanicals. Let's get to work on Fiona. Spinning screwdrivers! The mechanicals are overheating. How can we cool you down?
Stay calm! Daddy can help! Sorry, mechanicals. Fiona needs to save water in case of a fire.
Dandy's right. We shouldn't waste water. But Yellow's given me an idea. We can build a water slide to help us cool down, using these extra pieces of pipe. We need to reuse the water so none is wasted. That's it, Green. We can recycle the water back into Fiona's tank.
Great idea, Gecko. Then the water could go round and round and round.
Exactly. Now, what tools do I need? Welding torch, screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll add new sections so the pipe is long, then weld it together to make it strong. This pump will pull water up through a hose, and then back into Fiona's tank it flows. Fix the pump to the tank and tighten the screws, and finally our water slide is ready to use. Great work, everyone. Time to cool down. This is great!
Daddy time! Whoa! Don't worry, Daddy's got this. Hooray!
What a cool way to spend a hot day. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic, but Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's Christmas! And we're at Kat's base to help decorate her tree.
I think it looks better on the tree.
Have patience, Yellow. We'll need a ladder to help us put the star on top of the tree.
I have a ladder inside, Gecko. Can you help me carry it, porfa?
Nuts and bolts! Yellow's a shooting star! Cat, we have to catch her!
Vamos, Gecko. We'll take Helena.
Oh, hello, Yellow! Oh, no, hang on!
Flying fog lamps! It's Santa! Yellow, you're safe! Thank you, Santa. We're very glad you're here. Over.
And I'm very glad to see you too, Gecko. My sleigh won't fly straight. Can you help fix it? Over.
Of course, Santa. Cat, I need a closer look. Can we hover above the sleigh? I'll use Helena's winch to lower myself down. Gosh, it's windy up here. I see the problem, Santa. The left booster is holding on by one bolt. I'll need to reattach it.
Hello, Gecko. It's usually me who's dropping in on others. Ho, ho, whoa!
I need to fix that rocket booster fast. What tools do I need? Wrench. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. I'll reattach the loose rocket booster with these bolts and tighten them with my wrench. Righty, tighty. Oh, yes!
Hurrah, Gecko! What a team! Thank you for saving Christmas.
Thank you for saving Yellow.
Oh, Jingle Bells, is that the time? Must fly. I need to deliver presents to all the children. I almost forgot your presents.
Feliz Navidad!
A Christmas miracle happened tonight, and we fixed Santa's sleigh in mid-flight. Goodbye, everyone, and Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals.
Whoa!
Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals, we've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Hello, everyone. What a hot and sunny day. But it's a tough job keeping cool.
What we need, Gecky, is some lovely cold ice cream. Right, Mechanicals?
Rusty wrenches. What a strange noise.
I've heard that sound before. I was escaping a mysterious creature in the jungle.
Look, everyone. It's just Vicky. So that's what that strange noise was.
My poor dear Vicky. What's happened to your lovely jingle?
Oh, no. Poor Vicky's music box is broken and needs replacing. But I don't have a spare one.
Never mind, dear. Your ice cream is always delicious, jingle or not.
It is such a lovely tune, though.
La 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 la.
That's it, Grandma. We can make a cool new jingle ourselves.
Oh, can we, Kiki? I have always wanted to be on the stage, darling.
We need some instruments to make music. Then we'll be a garage band. What tools do we need? Wrench, power drill. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Let's attach a trailer to Vicky's tow ball. Then fit a bench so our band won't fall. Wire up the microphone straight to the speakers so Vicky's customers hear us, then come and seek us. Now, Mex, play your instruments loud and create a jingle to make Vicky proud.
Ready, kids? 1, 2, 3, hit it!
Everyone, our jingle worked. Now, I think you've all earned an ice cream.
Extra sprinkles for the band, please.
Grandma?
Well, dear, it is rock and roll.
Goodbye, everyone. Good job, baby truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, baby truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test. Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Slide, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this. Great touching, baby truck.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time.
Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sly.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Hello, everyone. We're just on our way to Cat's base for a cake sale.
Hola, amigos. Welcome to my cake sale. We have donuts, cupcakes, and my favorite, tres leches.
Where are the cakes, Cat?
Oh no! My cakes have been stolen!
These cakes are delicious, and they're all mine. Not yours, Sly. Get your own. I'm so full. I think I'll just shut my eyes.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's asleep at the wheel after that sports car. Oh! Mr. Weasel! Wake up! We have to stop them! Hold on tight, mechanicals! Mr. Weasel, are you okay? It's okay, Sly. It's just a flat tyre. We can fix that. Gecko knows just what to do. With a patched up tyre, you're good as new.
Gecko, any sign of my cakes? Excelente! You found the cakes!
Yeah, well done, Sly.
No! Finders keepers! They're mine!
Oh, no.
Come on, Cat. Let's get these treats back to your cake sale. Goodbye, everyone. It's Dylan the dump truck. How can we help you today? You're having problems with your dumper? Go, mechanicals! I see. Your dumper keeps dumping itself. Let's have a look. I think the piston needs replacing. Pulling this lever will stop it dumping, whilst I fetch a new piston. This will fix the problem. Huh? How did that get flipped back? Oh, so it was you plugging the cable back in. Oh, that's okay. You've had some fun. Now let's get the work all done. That's your new piston fitted, Dylan. But I've got an idea for this old piston. OK, mechanicals, all done. Check out your brand new slide, built using Dylan's old piston. Oh, hello everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals! Where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the Mechanicals are having. I'm so excited to skate.
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone. Looking spooky, Mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside. I'd better take a look. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, Mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone!
Hello, everyone. Today, we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation.
Whoa!
Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan. And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko! What a spectacular sand garage!
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove.
Ah, what a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home.
Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
Ah, there. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help.
What tools do we need? Wrench, screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done.
Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out!
screwdrivers. Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye!
Hello, everyone. Today is Hero Day. Blue's hero is Captain Spanner.
Oh, even heroes need help sometimes. Oh.
We've been dressing Vicky as her hero, Fiona Firetruck.
Why wait, Trevor? Faster is better. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. Who's your hero? I suppose it's me. Turbo Tractor? I mean, oh, yes, Turbo Tractor. I can make that happen. Easy.
Awesome work, team. Fiona looks just like her hero, Vicky the ice cream truck.
Only Trevor left to go, Gecko. Then it's time for the Hero Day party.
Spinning screwdrivers. Someone's tried to turbocharge Trevor.
Turbo Bodge, more like.
I can't work with that rust bucket. If you break, don't come back to me. Ah! Ah!
Well, I'd never, Trevor. Don't worry, dear. We'll undo that Weasel's worthless work.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
Let's replace this turbocharger with something new and even larger. Weasel's work was incomplete. An intercooler will cool the heat.
A chrome exhaust for the X Factor makes Trevor look like Turbo Tractor.
The party's about to start. And I know who my hero is. You're the best mechanic ever, Grandma. And the best Grandma. You're my hero.
Thank you, Gecko. And you're mine. Because you make everyone feel like a hero.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone.